Take about 1 teaspoon of ghee, clarified butter in a pan, melt it and add required quantity of vermicelli noodles and nicely roast it until it turns golden brown. Now add about 1 cup of water. You can adjust the water according to the amount of vermicelli you have taken and nicely cook until all of the vermicelli turn soft and well cooked. If you need, you can add extra water and check whether the vermicelli has been cooked soft. Now add about the required quantity of milk and give it a good mix and allow it to boil further. Make sure you keep stirring, otherwise the milk might overflow. Keep your stove flame in low flame, otherwise the milk might overflow. Keep stirring continuously. Stir continuously to avoid milk to overflow. Nicely cook until the milk reduces in quantity. Make sure the milk reduces in quantity. You can see here the milk has nicely reduced in quantity and the vermicelli has also become soft. Now switch off the flame and add required quantity of sugar and give it a nice mix so that the sugar nicely melt. Check for sugar at this stage and you can add more if you require. Now add the MTR badam drink mix according to your taste and give it a good mix until it mixes well with all the contents of the pan. Now you can see the sugar and the badam mix has mixed well. Now keep it on the stove again and allow it to boil slightly until you can see some few bubbles. Allow it to boil, but make sure you give it a continuous stir, otherwise it might burn at the bottom. You can see some bubbles. So this is the stage when it is well cooked. Allow it to boil and it's now well mixed and well cooked. Check for sugar and badam mix if you require. You can add more at this stage and allow to boil like this. Now it is well cooked. Very healthy, tasty, quick vermicelli MTR badam mix, sweet, ready to serve hot. It's healthy, quick and tasty as a side accompaniment to lunch or even midday snack. It has got milk, ghee or clarified butter and vermicelli and MTR badam mix, a healthy, sweet, quick.